And by Prema, the Brajvasis are controlling to Krishna. If you feed a dog a bread 1 day, 2 day, then it will never go away. The dog will think this is my God's house if you feed it. Even the dog wants love or not. Everyone. So Brajvasis are causelessly loving. And such Brajvasis, Krishna is abandoning to them. And why did he left to Mathura? And then he went to Dwarka and he's going away and away from Vrindavan. Gopis become upset or not? They were thinking that Krishna will come back. Because when Krishna went to Mathura, Krishna said that I will just coming back. Gopis, just I go today to Mathura, tomorrow I kill him and then I will come back. So if there's someone is saying that they will come back, they should come back, but Krishna didn't. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Krishna, he never came back to Vrindavan. And other Puranas also explain in the Katha is coming like this, that to understand this clearly, our acharyas say that Krishna, he is an ocean of prema actually, and he left the gopis. And why did he go to Mathura? This is the biggest question. This is the biggest question. This should be the headline of the newspaper. That why did Krishna go to Mathura? The headline of the newspaper is that Krishna is such a, he loves to be loved, right? Everyone does. But even then, why did he go to Mathura? Okay, he went to Mathura. He should have come back. He could have. But then what did he do? He went to Dwarka, even more further away from there. And he didn't come back. Our acharyas, they are saying the glories of this place. To understand this, you have to use your brain. You have brains or not? You have, right? You have to understand that there are 4 types of meeting and 4 types of separation. You have to understand just these: Purvarag, Man, Pravas and Prema, Vachitya. These are the 4 types of separation. And 4 types of meeting is also there in the scriptures. Sankipta, Sankirna, and Sampurna and Samriddhaman. These are the types of meeting. Even if you divide them further, it is explained. It is all subdivided. I'm not explaining that, but these 4 types of separation that I told, Purvarag, Man, Pravas and Prema Vachitya. The Prema Vachitya, this is the special place of Prema Vachitya. This place is the special place of Prema Vachitya. Prema Vachitya means that they are staying with their lover, but even then, they are feeling separation. This is called Prema Vachitya. What is it? You are in presence with your beloved, but even then, you feel alone. That I am not with my lover. So this mood is coming. This is called Prema Vachitya. What did I say? Not Vachitra. I said Prema Vachitya. If you say Vachitra, it's other meaning, another word. But Sanskrit is another word. Vachitya is different and Vachitra is different. In Sanskrit, it's Prema Vachitya. Not Vachitra. Vachitya. The Prema Vachitya is where you stay with your lover, but even then you feel separation. That is called Prema Vaichitya.
इसी के इतना ही समझ लिया जाए तो ठीक हो जाएगा और ज्यादा समझने की जरूरत नहीं.
Just you understand this and this will be enough. No need to understand more. The example is coming. Once upon a time, Srimati Radha and Radhika and Krishna, they both were meeting. And they were sitting, exchanging love. The lover and beloved, meaning Srimati Radhika and Krishna, they both were sitting together in a beautiful kunja. Inside they were sitting. The place that you are seeing here right now, at the time of Krishna's manifest pastime, there were many kunjas, forest groves. They were manifested because Yog Maya manifested all these things. And Radha and Krishna, they both were sitting there. And when lover and beloved they are sitting, they are also talking. Prema lap means exchanging love. They are talking. Krishna is the ocean of divine rasa, ocean of divine melody, and he is tasting that, relishing that. And Srimati Radhika's face is like a beautiful moon, and Krishna is drinking the rays of that moonlight. So this is called, one is Chakor and Chakori. So if Srimati Radhika is Chakori, then Krishna is Chakor. Chakor, Chakori, what are they doing? At night, both these birds, they drink the pure rays of the moonlight. In the same way, Radha and Krishna, they both are looking towards each other and are absorbed in drinking the nectar. And beautiful conversation going on also. In the meantime, a bee, a honey bee, a black bee came, and it was roaming around the feet of Srimati Radhika. Started to fly around the feet of Srimati Radhika. So it came near the face also. Seeing that, Srimati Radhika, again and again, she was picking up her clothes like this, and she was trying to move away that bee. But the black bee, coming and going, again and again, it's trying to sit on the face of Srimati Radhika, sometimes on the feet of Srimati Radhika, because the fragrance of that is coming from the body of Srimati Radhika, it's like even million times more beautiful than lotus. It's the best. So, Srimati Radhika's 25 qualities, one of those qualities is that Madhava Gandha Unmadita, meaning Srimati Radhika, by the fragrance of her body, she is even making Madhav mad. She's making Krishna mad with the fragrance of her. That's why Madhava Gandha Unmadita. So Krishna is becoming mad after smelling the fragrance of the body of Srimati Radhika. So the black bee is thinking that this is like a huge lotus that it has never seen before. So that's why the black bee, again and again, it was trying to sit on the face of Srimati Radhika. And Srimati Radhika is moving her feet away sometimes. But the black bee again and again is coming there. Again and again it's coming. In the meantime, Madhumangal came. Who came? Madhumangal came. Madhumangal saw this black bee. Again and again it is disturbing to Srimati Radhika. So Madhumangal, he picked up a stick and he started to run towards that black bee. And the black bee went away, and behind that Madhumangal was running behind the black bee with a stick. And at the end, the black bee went away. And after some time, Madhumangal, when he came back, and he said these few words that Madhusudan has gone and he will never come back. Madhusudan has gone. Madhusudan chala gaya, and he will never come back. Madhumangal, what does he want to say? Madhusudan has two meanings. Madhusudan, one meaning is that black bee is called Madhusudan. Madhusudayati iti Madhusudan, meaning the black bee is always drinking the nectar of the flowers. That's why
मधुसूदन कहा जाता है।
The black bee name is Madhusudan, one who is drinking the nectar.
मधुमंगल ही कहते
So
जा रहे हैं
Madhumangal is saying all these
ब्राह्मण
things.
चला गया और कभी
And
लौट करके
The
नहीं
Brahmar
इसलिए
will
उन्होंने
not go.
ये शब्द बोला
Brahmar has gone and it will not come back. So we said the Madhusudan has gone and he will never come back. But Srimati Radhika, she is assuming this meaning that Madhusudan is also one name of Krishna.
मधुसूदन
Krishna's one name is Madhusudan.
कृष्ण के नाम मधुसूदन किस लिए पड़ा?
And how was he named this?
दैत्य के वध किया इसलिए
Because he
मधुसूदन
killed a
कहा
demon
जाता है।
named Madhu.
मधु दैत्य के उन्होंने वध
So
किया
Madhusudan.
था,
Here it means
इसलिए
one who
कृष्ण
killed
के
the
एक
demon
नाम
called
मधुसूदन
Madhu. That's
भी
why his
कहता
name
है।
is Madhusudan.
और मधुसूदन
मधुसूदन
मधु के जो पान करने वाले बद्ध जीव
And the conditioned
उनके
souls
सबसे क्या
who are also
सिद्धयोति,
drinking
छेदयोति, छेद
the
करते
sense
हैं।
gratification,
उसे काटते हैं।
the Krishna is
संसार
cutting
के
those
जीव
sense gratification. That's why his also name is
संसार
Madhusudan.
के सुख भोग करना चाहते कि नहीं चाहते?
Because the conditioned souls want to enjoy the sense
क्या क्या
gratification,
चाहते?
right? What do
अपने
you want?
माता, पिता, भाई, बंधु,
With staying with mother, father, family,
धन, संपत्ति, ये
mother,
प्रकार संसार के क्या कहा जाता
wife,
है?
wealth, all this family wealth.
मधु कहा
This
जाता
is called Madhu.
है? मधु है नहीं कि इसके हम लोग
Madhu,
हर रोज
like
चाटते हैं।
we are licking it as like it's a
कौन नहीं
nectar.
चाहते?
Who
धन
does
कौन
not
नहीं
want this?
चाहते?
Who does not want money? Tell me.
है? कौन स्त्री पुत्र
Who does not
परिवार को
want
नहीं
wife?
चाहते?
Who does not want children?
चाहते हैं कि नहीं चाहते?
You want or not?
हैं? सच बोल रहे कि नहीं बोल रहे?
You are speaking truth or not?
सब चाहते क्या? अपने
What do you
माता,
want?
पिता,
Everyone
भाई,
wants to stay with their family.
ये भी संसार के
And
क्या कहा जाता है? मधु भी कहा जाता है।
This is the nectar of the
किंतु
material
कहते
world.
कृष्ण क्या
It's
करता है?
called the
ये
Madhu.
संसार रूपी
So
मधु जनित
Krishna,
आसक्ति को क्या
he
करता
is
है?
cutting these attachments,
छेदयति, काटता है।
meaning he's destroying this nectar of this material world. That's why also his name is Madhusudan.
कृष्ण के इसलिए कृष्ण के एक नाम कहा जाता
That's
है।
why Krishna's one name is Madhusudan, because he is destroying the attachments of this material world.
मधुसूदन
Madhusudayati iti Madhusudan. Krishna himself,
गोपियों की प्रेम को प्रेम रूपी मधु के सदा सर्वदा क्या करते हैं?
always he is drinking the nectar of prema of the gopis. He's drinking that nectar of the prema. That's why also his name is what? Madhusudan. See, many meanings.
भ्रमर के नाम जैसे मधुसूदन,
The black bee named Madhusudan, it's drinking the nectar of flowers, and Krishna is also drinking the nectar of the mood of the gopis. So black bee is also called Madhusudan, and Krishna is also called Madhusudan. So different meanings like this.
ये
So
मधुसूदन
Srimati Radhika is assuming that
मुझे छोड़
Madhusudan
करके चले
means
गए
Krishna.
और कभी
Means Krishna has gone
लौट
and he
के
will not come back.
नहीं आए।
She assumed this, and just that.
राधा जी अभी कहाँ पर है?
Where is she right now?
स्वयं कृष्ण के
She's
गोद पर।
in on the lap of
अपने
Krishna.
श्यामा लेकर के मानो
Her
ऐसे
forehead is on the lap of Krishna, and she's resting.
है। और क्या सोच रही है?
But what is she
कृष्ण
thinking?
मुझे-
That
माने कृष्ण
Krishna
मुझे छोड़
has
करके
left me,
चले गए और
and he will not come back.
इसी प्रकार इस भाव को कहा जाता है
This mood is called
हैं?
Prema Vachitya.
प्रेम वैचित्र
Prema Vachitya, this is called.
है। और
And
कृष्ण जब एक
when
श्रीमती राधिका जब ये शब्द सुना,
Srimati Radhika heard this
ये
sentence
मधुसूदन,
that
कृष्ण मुझे
Madhusudan
छोड़ करके चले गए,
has gone and he will not come back,
है।
so
देखो,
that
स्वयं
time
राधा जी
Srimati
कृष्ण
Radhika
के गोद
herself,
को
her forehead is on the lap of Krishna.
विराजमान है। और सोच रही
She is
है,
in proximity
कृष्ण
with Krishna, but even then she's thinking
और
Krishna has
उसमें
left me.
श्रीमती राधिका कृष्ण
And
विराम
that time Srimati Radhika, in the mood of separation
हाँ
from
कृष्ण,
Krishna,
हाँ कृष्ण करके
she is calling out, "Oh Krishna, oh Krishna," and she fainted.
इसको देख करके कृष्ण
And
आश्चर्य
after seeing that, Krishna becomes
हुए।
surprised.
मैं साथ
that
रूप में हूँ
I am with her
और
right
राधा जी
here.
क्या सोच रही
And
है?
even then, she is
जे मैं उनको छोड़ करके चला गया।
thinking that I have left her.
और इसी की वजह से उन्माद दशा में ऐसे
This
होता
is the transcendental madness actually.
है। उस समय राधा जी खाना पीना सब
That
कुछ
time,
छोड़
Srimati
देती है।
Radhika stops eating anything.
क्या हो जाती है उस समय?
And that time
मूर्छित
she
हो जाती है।
faints.
जिस जगत में मृत्यु
In
शब्द नहीं है,
transcendental
क्या
world, there
शब्द
is
है?
no word death.
मूर्छा शब्द
The
है।
word faint is there.
प्रेम के जो 10 दशा कहा गया, कितने दशा
10
होती है? 10 दशा होती
symptoms of prem
है। ये मूर्छा व
So
मृत्यु
this
के कहा
fainting
जाता है, अंतिम
is
दशा
called the
कहा
last
जाता
stage.
है।
The faint
Huh?
of death
प्रेम
is called the
कैसे
last
बनते हैं?
stage. How is prem
6
created?
10 लक्षण में प्रेम बनते हैं।
By
हैं?
10
पहले होता है क्या?
10 things the prem is made. First is what?
नयन मिलन,
The eye contact. Nayana Milan.
नयन भंग भेलो,
Nayana Bhanga Vela.
आंखों की पलक पड़ने में जितना समय लगता है,
In the blink of an
उतने
eye.
समय से ही राधा कृष्ण की
Radha
प्रेम
Krishna Prema manifested in the blink
अब
of an eye.
आंखों की पलक पड़ने इसे कहते हैं चक्षुष
That's
मिलन।
why Chakshus Milan. This is called meeting with the eyes.
क्या होता है? चक्षु मिलन।
First stage of prem.
आंखें बड़े बड़े खतरनाक है।
The eye is very dangerous
एक
thing.
बार आंख किसी पर लग जाए उससे हटाना
If you make eye contact with someone, it's very hard to take your eyes away from that person.
इसलिए कहा जाता है
So for this regard,
पहले प्रेम कैसे
first is
होती है?
meeting with the eyes.
चक्षु मिलन का है।
Chakshu Milan.
फिर चक्षु मिलन के बाद क्या
Next,
होता
what
है?
happens?
चिंतन होता है।
Then the lover thinks about the beloved.
आज से उसके लिए चिंतन करते
Are
रहे।
thinking over and over
फिर
again.
उसके चिंतन करते करते
And
उससे कहते हैं
thinking,
व्याधि,
thinking, thinking.
उन्माद, ये सब
What
दस
happens?
दशा बताया गया सर।
The other symptoms manifest one by one. If you want to know more, you can read Jaiva Dharma. Because if I explain everything, the whole night will pass by. So the first stage is meeting with the eyes.
आईज कॉन्ट्रैक्ट
Eye contact.
क्या होता है? आईज कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। किसी के साथ आंखों से आंख मांग मिलाओ।
Never make eye contact with anyone.
कहते हैं ना?
You say it like
ये
this, right?
आंखों से आप किसके मिलाओ?
Only make eye contact with Raman Bihari.
हैं? वो कहते हैं ना, नैन से नैन मिलाए रहो। कहाँ पर है?
This kid, Braj kid,
माँ के बिहारी यही मेरे मिनती है। हैं? नैन में नयन
This is Kirtan that, oh Krishna, I request you, please keep eye contact with me.
माने आंखों के साथ मिल जाए।
Just once eye contact is established, then
बिछोड़ नहीं हो।
you're never separated from that person. So prema is like this.
इसमें प्रेम
So,
कैसे उत्पत्ति होता है?
How is prema manifesting? All this is explained. If I tell more, you won't be able to understand. You will understand the opposite of what I say. You will put a material conception in it just to understand. The first stage of prema is meeting with the eyes. What did I tell? Eye contact. Chakshu Milan.
यही बता दिया।
This is coming like this. Okay, further, moving
अभी
further.
राधा जी कृष्ण सोच रहे हैं, देखो मेरे साथ मेरे गोद में
Krishna
राधा
is
जी
thinking,
बैठी
Srimati
है
Radhika,
और क्या सोच रही है?
she's resting on my lap, and
कि
even
मैं
then,
इनको छोड़ करके मैं
she's
चला
thinking that I have left her.
कृष्ण विरह में राधा जी हाँ
And
कृष्ण हाँ
she said, Ha Krishna, and she fainted.
इसलिए कृष्ण
But
विचार मन
then
विचार
Krishna
करने
was
लगे
thinking,
कि यदि मैं श्रीमती
If-
राधा से दूर चले
if
जाऊं
I go away from her,
तो मैं दूर जाने पर राधा जी क्या करेगी?
then Srimati
मैं
Radhika
ये
will
चिंतन करते करते
think
ऐसी
about me.
स्थिति हो जाएगा तो सोचेंगे क्या मैं उनके पास हूँ।
and then she will think that I am with her
जैसे कोई
in the highest mode of
आपके प्रति
separation.
आपके प्रीति है,
Because if you love
प्रेम है।
something
जैसे सोने अथवा सोने के
like gold,
टुकड़े मानो आपको मिला
your piece of gold you
और
found,
बहुत दिन तक रहने
And
पर
after a lot
आपके
of
साथ
days,
जब प्रेम प्रीति हो जाता है सोने के टुकड़े को
when you fall in love with that piece of gold, when you
यदि
like it,
गायब हो जाए
when that
हो
is
जाए,
taken away from
तो
you,
क्या करोगे आप?
then what will
उसके
you
लिए
do?
ही चिंतन करते रहो।
You
और
will think
चिंतन
about
करते
that again
करते
and again.
ऐसी स्थिति हो जाएगा
And the stage
कि
will
आपके
come
सपनों में भी वो
when even
सोने
in
के
your dream you
टुकड़ा
will see that thing.
दिखाई पड़ेगा।
And even in your dream you will see it.
प्रेम की ऐसी स्थिति हो जाए।
Prema is like
ठीक
this.
उसी प्रकार
In the same way,
कृष्ण विचार करने लगे
Krishna was
यदि
thinking,
मैं राधा जी से कुछ समय के लिए मैं दूर चला
if I
जाऊं
go away from
तो
Srimati
मेरे
Radhika,
विरह में
and in
राधा
my
जी
separation, Srimati
ऐसे
Radhika,
चिंतन करते करते
she will think about me,
वो सोचेगी
and
जे
she will enter the mood of
मैं ही
higher
उनके
separation
पास
mood, and she will think that I am with
जिससे
her.
उनके प्रति
And-
प्रेम की जो है जो विरह जो है कुछ कम होगा
Then the separation
reduce होगा
mood
विरह।
will be
विरह
reduced.
की ताप कुछ रिड्यूस होगा कम होगा है?
Then she will feel less separation because when she will meet in separation.
बढ़ता
But
रहता है।
in the realm of prema, everything
और
is
यहाँ पर जो है,
increasing.
इसने
So-
कृष्ण विचार करने लगे
Krishna is thinking,
कि मैं कुछ समय के लिए
for some time,
मैं वृंदावन से
I will go away from Vrindavan and go to
चला जाता हूं।
Mathura.
ये कृष्ण की संकल्प करने के साथ ही साथ
When Krishna thought this, Yogamaya instantly
एक सुंदर जो है
arranged
परिवेश सृष्टि कर दिया
beautiful environment.
है। यही प्रेम यहाँ से जो है ये इस लीला के बाद ही
After this pastime, Krishna
अक्रूर के रथ पर बैठ
sat on the chariot of Akrur
वृंदावन से
and went
मथुरा
to
के लिए
Mathura.
वो प्रस्थान किया है। किंतु ये महत्वपूर्ण
This is a
स्थान
very
है
important place.
और विशेष करके
And also, Gurudev used to explain
ये जो
that
प्रेम सरोवर
this Prema Sarovar,
कृष्ण की
in
प्रेम
reality,
की विरह की
These are the,
साक्षात मूर्तमान एक कुंड कहा
this
जाता
kunda
है।
is the manifestation of the
इसी के
separation mood of Radha and Krishna.
सरोवर
That's why this
कहा
is called
जाता है।
Prema
इस
Sarovar.
सरोवर में स्नान करने
If
पर,
someone
आचमन
takes
करने
bath
पर,
here, take achman
दर्शन
here,
करने
take
पर,
darshan
अथवा
here,
जल के स्पर्श करने
and
पर,
even touching the water here
हृदय में
in your heart,
सर्वोत्तम
the
प्रेम
highest
उत्पन्न
prema
होता है।
will stimulate,
क्यों?
manifest in your heart.
नारद
Why?
ऋषि ने
Because Narad
कृष्ण से
Rishi
ये वर मांग लिया
took this benediction
कि
from
प्रभु,
Krishna, that Prabhu,
आपकी जो लीला स्थली, जब जिसके
your
ब्रज की
Leela Stali,
लीला
the
स्थली में
Braj
कोई
Leela
जाकर
Stali,
के
someone goes there
प्रणाम करे,
and does
उस धूल
pranam
के जो है सिर पर लगाए,
and touch the
कथा
dust
श्रवण
on their
करे,
forehead and listen to
है?
Katha,
तो उनके
then
हृदय
in
में
their heart,
सर्वोत्तम
the
प्रेम
highest
उत्पन्न
prem
हो
will
जाए।
manifest in
तो
their
इस
heart.
कथा सुन करके
So now you are listening
स्वयं
to this
भगवान
Katha.
कृष्ण नारद
So
ऋषि के
Krishna
बोल
heard
दिया
this
था,
and he gave
कोई भी
benediction
व्यक्ति
to Narad
ये
Rishi.
लीला स्थल में
So
आए
whoever come to this
और आकर
Leela
के कुछ
pastime
करना
place,
नहीं है,
no need to do
बस क्या
anything.
करना है, इस धूलि को
Just you pick
प्रणाम
up this dust and put it on your
समय
forehead.
हो तो बैठ करके कथा
If you
सुन
have
लो,
time, then listen
और
Katha
समय नहीं
also.
है तो
If you have
प्रसाद
no
खा
time,
करके
then take
चल।
prasad and go. No
बोलो
problem.
वृंदावन विहार। हाँ, तो यही जो है प्रेम सरोवर की एक विशेष
This is the
महिमा है।
special glories of
निकट
Prema
में ये
Sarovar.
पास में जो है,
Nearby,
लेफ्ट हैंड में जो है,
on the left side,
उसके है बिहाल कुंड कहा जाता है।
it's
क्या
called
कुंड? बिहाल कुंड कहा
Bihal
जाता है।
Kunda.
अर्थात स्वयं राधा जी
Meaning
कृष्ण
Srimati
के
Radhika,
विवाह
in
में
the separation of
अत्यंत
Krishna,
जो अधीर हो उठे,
she was
अधीरा नायिका के भाव
in the
प्रकाश
mood of
किया।
Adhira Naika.
एक होता है धीरा, एक होता है अधीरा, एक
Completely
है
unstable. One is
धीरा,
Dhira,
धीरा,
Adhira.
है। अधीरा
Different,
माने
different
धैर्य
heroines.
धारण नहीं कर पाती।
Like she could
ये
not
है
hold any
बिहाल
of her
कुंड
patience.
कहा जाता है।
Means
निकट में
Bihal
ये
Kunda
जो
is
कुंड
there.
दिखोगे,
This
यहाँ
Kunda
पर
you can see that side
ये
where
है
Gurudev is
प्रेम
pointing to.
सरोवर
This
और
is
वो
Prem
है
Sarovar and that is
बिहाल कुंड।
Bihal Kunda.
इसलिए यहाँ पर जो सुंदर आप लोगों
Very
ने
nice,
दर्शन
beautiful
किया,
darshans you are taking
प्रेम
here.
बिहारी को दर्शन किया,
You took darshan of the
और
Prem Bihari
आगे
deities
जाके
also.
और एक मंदिर है,
And there is one more temple there.
ठाकुर जी के दर्शन करो।
Here you take darshan of Thakur ji and
चले हम लोग जहाँ पर रहते हैं,
let's we will go to the Parikrama place and there will be evening Harikatha.
भी हो गया, 5 बज गया, चलो।
Now it's 5 o'clock. Let's go.
इतना ही सुन लिया बस।
Just to hear this is enough.
बोलो राधा रानी की